Hello Pisces, welcome to your December 2021 readings. I hope you guys are doing great. And if this reading is going to be timeless and general in nature, and you can check out your other signs readings also. And if you feel drawn to the title of any other reading, please check out those messages also, as there might be some guidance for you. Okay, so let's get started. Pisces. It's just for Pisces. Transformation. Two more cards. Delight. One more card. Openness. Okay. Let me see some more cards and then I will start discussing about it, because I'm channeling a lot of messages right now. And before I proceed, I just want to make sure that this exactly resonates with that. Hold your vision. Yeah, that's why the transformation. You and your loved ones are safe. Your intuition is on point right now, I would say. And you have the assurance of your angels and guides that you are safe and protected, along with the people that you really care about. Okay, and then some of you are going through this transformation, and you're understanding the purpose, the mission of your life right now. So it's like you're coming into that clarity. Some of you are healers, because there's energy of Gaia also, and moon energy is also available. So some of you are star seeds and some of you are light workers here. Birds and butterflies may be very prominent for you. There's a need to work on your throat chakra and solar plexus chakra, because I can see a lot of blue in the cards, and here also there's this blue and yellow. So I feel like you have to take care of your solar plexus and throat chakra. Stand in your power and speak your truth, communicate. Some of you definitely are influencers. Something is growing. I mean, the energy is growing, it's elevating, something is changing. Maybe you're having lots of dreams. Pay attention to your dreams, okay? And any channeled messages if you get, okay? Maybe if you're meditating, you may get something really weird, some kind of message very weird, but pay attention to that, okay? Because your intuition is very strong at this time. Yeah, let me pull out some more cards for you. Past. Through the power of love, you release any stagnant situations or energy in order to transform your heart space. Okay? that's why the transformation is there. Okay. We'll see more cards and then dive in. But your energy is very quiet, I would say. Evolution, you realize that obstacles are merely lessons on your path to love. The energy of adaptability, going with the flow kind of. Of course, you are a Piscean, okay? So you have a lot of, you can adjust with the environments. So you are being in your own power, operating from your truest self, from your higher self. Forgiveness is a theme for you for this month. Forgive and release for yourself, not for others, but for yourself, okay? Forgive and release. Move on. If you have any questions in your mind, please ask about that, because I'm going to pull out one card specifically as a guidance for you, okay? I will pull out this card. Meditation brings answer. Yeah, that's why I said. If you're getting any weird messages or answers in your meditation, be open to that, because your intuition is very strong during this time. So you're connecting with your higher self, and also with your ancestors from other realms, okay? So meditation does brings answers. And if you are connecting with your ancestors, know that they are also safe wherever they are, okay? There's a lot of guidance that's going to come to you for this mission that you have, I would say. There's a certain dream or goal you have in your mind, and you're going to get a lot of downloads for that also. So a lot of like a high priestess kind of energy I have in your reading. That's why I'm feeling like there's so much that wants to come out, so much of messages, but it's like there's also that energy that wants to keep it very private. That's why I took my time to really pull out all the cards and then do it. You want to keep it very private right now. You with your angels and guides and ancestors. Not much on the surface. It's an internal work that's going on right now. And it's good. It's good. Okay. And let me pull out some tarot cards for you. I will take this card. The Justice, yeah. That's why transformation. Scales are getting balanced for you. This is like the shadow of the past that you are releasing. Shadow of your own past. So that's why I said forgiveness and releasing is very important. Let go. Let go. Okay? Forgive and release. Take this card. Strength. Yes, you need strength. Forgiveness does not come easy. Also, the transformation does not come easy. You need strength. You need to stand strong. That's why also I said you need to work a little bit on your solar plexus chakra also. That will help you that will give you that strength you need in this challenging time. Okay? You have to stand in your power. You have to be the leader. So it's like whatever processes you're going through, you're doing through, it's very private. Very, very private. Nine of Swords, the darkness, past that's haunting you. You're having this sleepless night, anxiety over that, worries about your loved ones, you know. Maybe you're having very difficult nightmares, I would say. Do not worry, okay? You need strength. You can work with Archangel Michael also. He will help you to protect you from any kind of negative energy that's trying to haunt you. Okay, see, you can see there's one white bird also that's trying to just shove off all these birds. Okay, so you just have to pray. Okay, so you have protection available. Wow, don't worry. Okay, you're very supported, you're being guided, you're very protected right now. Maybe you're going through a loss of a loved one. Don't worry. Okay, it's like if somebody will come and meet you, they will feel like, oh, everything's fine with Piscean, but there's so much going inside. It's like universe is your best friend, your higher self is your best friend right now, and that is your biggest strength also. It's helping you to come out of that energy. Very heavy energy. Oh my god. Page of Wands and Three of Cups. Yeah. Change your environment. Change your environment. Change your company also. You know, connect with new people that will give you that strength. Element of Trinity. I'm getting drawn to this tattoo on her back. There's an element of Trinity. Page of Wands. New initiation, new spark in you. So there's a guide or an ancestor in other realm that's really protecting you from any kind of negative energy. And all these difficult time will pass, okay? For some of you, your family member has transformed into your own angelic guides, okay? They will help you. They will help you as your angels, your guides, your mentors, okay? So this will really help you. You should meditate right now. Connect with them. Oh my god, this is so heavy energy. Alright, so I'm going to conclude your reading here, and I would say that you have my best intentions right now. Okay, take care of yourself, take good care of yourself, sleep on time, take rest, don't overexert yourself, okay? Listen to some really soothing music that will help you to get good sleep. You can have some chamomile tea in the night before bed, or any, even green tea will be fine. Take that. Any herbal tea will help you, okay? And listen to some really soothing music. Yeah, some chants will help you, mantras, chants, okay? Instrumental music that can help you, nature sounds also. And connect with the nature more, because here I see the card of delight. I really think that if you'll connect with the nature, take a walk in the nature, connect with, you know, birds and animals around that, it will help you to come out of that energy. Maybe you'll, when you'll go out, you will meet some people that can help you to come out of this tough and challenging phase, okay? Take care of yourself this time. during this time. Okay, so this is the messages I have for you, and I hope things change for you soon. And yeah, that's all I have. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.